Do you think I can do this entire video with just one sparkler?
Definitely.
Blimey. In this art tutorial, I'm going to show you a brilliantly simple way of making a picture inspired by fireworks night. And it doesn't involve fire. My name's Artjohn, and this channel is all about developing teachers and parents as artists so they can inspire their pupils in class or their young ones at home. And this activity is so incredibly simple, packed full of skills, and all you need is a piece of black paper, a piece of white paper, some scissors, a pencil, and some chalk, and about half an hour. This is so simple, but then the best artwork always is. Your pupils or young ones will start with the white paper. This can be scrap paper though, as we're going to cut it up. I'm using A3, but it works with any size you choose. Start by getting them to draw a city skyline using one continuous line. I'm going to add a mix of really large house shapes and small house shapes to give an illusion of distance. They should use really recognisable shapes like a church spire or a triangular roof with a chimney. They could add tree shapes, skyscrapers, famous landmarks, it's up to them. Get them to cut along the line, making sure to keep it on track as best they can. If it goes a bit wonky though, don't worry, it will be fine. They don't need the top bit, just the bottom half, as this is going to be our stencil. Use a mixture of different coloured chalk, sticking to the brightest colours. If you just have white available though, don't worry, it's not a problem, it will look great anyway. Use the side of the chalk to drag it from the white stencil to the black paper. Using the side of the chalk makes really sharp straight lines. Now they shouldn't be afraid to overlap the lines, and to be honest, they shouldn't overthink it. There are no rules as to what fireworks should look like. Add some dots, not too many though, these are the centres of the explosions. Then use the other colours to create lines going from the centre dot outwards. Use different colours and use a mix of long and short lines. Seriously though, just let them play at this point. Fireworks are wild and exciting, and so can their drawings be. Use a finger to smudge along the lines, this will make them look more ephemeral. Using the white chalk, rub from the edge of the white stencil onto the black paper, leaving plenty of chalk dust behind. Be careful to keep the stencil in the same place until the end however, and don't be tempted to sneak a peek. Use a finger to blend the chalk dust upwards to create that hazy atmosphere from the fireworks display. They can then rework some chalk back into the fireworks to make them more vibrant. Then they should just carefully remove the stencil. Now if you want to stop the chalk from smudging and getting everywhere, just spray it with some cheap hairspray. It will look like it's disappearing, but it will come back as it dries. So if this video has been useful to you, then you might want to subscribe if that's your kind of thing. A big thumbs up helps the channel grow though, and go check out all the other videos on the channel. Now be safe, make sure you wear gloves, and have a really good jacket potato at the end. And I'll see you in the next video.